condo just like that in here. This was a Safeway when I was a kid. I think Safeway might have pulled out of here late 1970s or something. It's either a Safeway or it was a grocery store. And then it eventually became a Sony Store and various other proprietors. Anyway. Crazy. Oh, I love the smell of particle board in the morning. I wonder how much asbestos is mixed in there. Yum. Oh, there's my Sony Walkman. Back of the building for anybody who's interested.